Hello, I'm Velázquez from LDA Audio Tech. Welcome to our booth at ISE 2018. Let me please show you our new product. It's called LDA 1. It is a compact system, all-in-one solution, EM54 certified public address and voice alarm system. This unit is intended for entry-level markets, so it's very cost-effective. As you can see, it can be wall-mounted or even rack-mounted. It includes two amplifiers of 500 watts, very efficient amplifiers, Class D amplifiers. It includes also a DSP. You can cover up to 6 zones with it. The great thing about it is that it also includes the battery charger inside of it, so you can include batteries on it, as you can see. We welcome you to come to our booth at ISE or visit our webpage, lda-audiotech.com. Thank you for watching.